I'm just basically flying so I can get there faster. No, I'm pretty sure there's more, because I didn't pick up everything. Yeah, that's some good stuff right there. Anyways, Andrew. Oh, there's stuff here, Andrew, pick up it up, pick it up, pick it all up. Middle chest. We gotta hurry, because I have to go eat dinner. Okay, wait. I'll tell you when to go to the base in like 1 second. Okay, you can go to your base. Go to the end, and then TP to me. Okay, let's go stuff. Hurry, Andrew, just use fly. I honestly couldn't care less. Hurry and store in randomly, because I have to go. No, store what you get at your base. Just TP to me when you're done, and TP to me fast. Are you done? Hello? Oh my god. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Oh my god, there's so much good shit over here. Did you take everything? Can you put a creeper egg in here? No, shift click. No! Put it inside, like shift. That's everything. Okay.